Have you ever imagined living with more energy, less pain, and a sharper mind after turning 60? What if I told you the secret might be hidden on your plate? Yes, common foods you find at the market have the power to heal, prevent disease, and even slow down aging. Today, we were revealing the natural secret to living much longer by using healing foods, and after this, you'll never look at your diet the same way again. Stick around until the end, because the discoveries are truly eye-opening. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of healing nutrition. Scientists and nutritionists across the globe have proven that some foods not only nourish, they regenerate. And if you are over 60, or know someone who is, this could be the turning point for a healthier, longer, and happier life. Get ready for a journey that can transform your health from the inside out. As we age, our bodies naturally face silent inflammation, muscle loss, hormonal imbalances, and a weakened immune system. But what many ignore is that nutrition can fight back. Foods rich in antioxidants, phytonutrients, healthy fats, and bioactive compounds act as real natural medicine, and better yet, without the side effects of traditional drugs. The right food at the right time is like a healing capsule gifted by nature. Let's get to the point. Which foods heal? We begin with broccoli, rich in sulforaphane, a compound that detoxifies the liver, protects the brain, and reduces inflammation. Next is turmeric with black pepper, a powerful combo that activates curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory studied for use against Alzheimer's. Don't forget avocados, a source of healthy fats that nourish joints and fuel the brain. And how about flaxseed? High in omega-3, it helps regulate hormones and fight bad cholesterol. Each of these foods has a direct impact on a vital body system. The list continues with garlic, ginger, extra virgin olive oil, dark leafy greens, berries, green tea, all with specific healing properties: anti-inflammatory, protective, and regenerative. According to studies published in nutrition reviews, whole food, plant-based diets are linked to longer lifespans and lower cardiovascular disease risk. Dr. Walter Longo, aging expert at the University of Southern California, states that diet is the single most important factor in disease prevention after age 60. Brazilian functional nutritionist Dr. Patricia Davidson emphasizes, the gut is the body's brain. When you feed it the right foods, everything improves: sleep, mood, energy, even memory. Science doesn't just confirm this, it reinforces that the path to longevity is in what we put on our plates. But what if I told you there's an ancient food used by old civilizations that can regenerate cells and prevent degenerative diseases, and almost no one is eating it today? And more. Did you know that a simple morning habit can boost the healing power of these foods by up to 300%? Stay until the end, because we are going to reveal exactly what that food is and how to use it the right way for maximum results. When you start consuming healing foods, the effects aren't just physical, they're emotional too. Your mind clears, your mood stabilizes, that mental fog disappears. You feel more capable, more motivated, stronger. It's like your body starts cooperating with you again, instead of resisting. And it all begins with small changes, small choices that have a massive impact. Healing isn't a miracle, it's repetition of what works every day. So now you know, the natural secret to living much longer after 60 isn't tea and magic pills. It's in the foods you choose. Start now. Introduce them one by one into your routine. Feel the difference. And remember, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment below. Which of these foods do you already eat or plan to start eating? Because your future begins with your next plate.